Hello food connoisseurs, welcome to another mouth-watering episode of Culinary Mastery. Today we're diving into the aromatic world of Thai cuisine, exploring the exotic flavors of Thai green curry. Before we start, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to elevate your cooking game. First things first, gather all the ingredients. To prepare a perfect Thai green curry, you'll need 2 tablespoons of Thai green curry paste, which is the soul of this dish. You'll also need 400 ml of creamy coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce for that umami punch, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to balance the flavors. For protein, you can opt for anything from chicken to tofu. And let's not forget a colorful array of your favorite vegetables. Got everything? Great. Now on to the heart of the matter. Let's get cooking. First, we're going to add some oil into a pan and heat it up. Next, we'll toss in 2 tablespoons of Thai green curry paste and sauté until it starts to emit its rich flavors and tempting aromas. Once that's done, we'll pour in 400 ml of creamy coconut milk to create the base of our curry. Make sure to stir well so that the paste and the milk are amalgamated perfectly. Now, it's time to incorporate choice of protein and vegetables. This is where the curry starts to take form. But we're not done just yet, we need to season it right. Add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to strike the perfect balance umami and sweetness. Let it gently simmer until all the ingredients are perfectly cooked. And there you have it, your very own delicious aromatic Thai green curry. But wait, we still have more to go. The best way to enjoy Thai green curry is with a side of steamed jasmine rice. This pairing is a classic, allowing the fragrant rice to soak up the rich, spicy flavors of the curry. Now, for a dash of extra flair, consider garnishing your dish. A few lime wedges on the side can offer a tangy contrast, and a sprinkling of fresh cilantro can provide a burst of flavor that complements the curry beautifully. You might also consider adding a dollop of yogurt to help balance the heat. Remember, the beauty of cooking is making a dish your own, so don't shy away from experimenting. There you have it, your homemade Thai green curry. Enjoy this delightful dish and don't forget to share your cooking journey with us in the comments below. Until next time, keep cooking and keep exploring. Now, let's talk about the cooking time. You may be wondering how long it takes to whip up this flavorful dish. Well, the preparation of ingredients, such as chopping the vegetables and making the curry paste, takes about 15 minutes. Once everything is ready, cooking the Thai green curry itself takes about 20-25 minutes. This includes the time to sauté the ingredients and allow the curry to simmer, letting all those wonderful flavors meld together. So, in less than an hour, you can enjoy a delicious Thai green curry at home. It's a quick, simple, and rewarding culinary adventure. So go ahead, give it a try and amaze your friends and family with your cooking skills.